How to make video quality data saver on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make video quality data saver on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then just click this one, video quality, and after you click on it, here you will find the data saver. Click data saver, and now just go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to change how to change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.